You are a camp. Unless and otherwise is not answered, if you are not able to tell yourself how you are going to be a climber, you cannot be accountable to your organization. You can be responsible. I tell you can be responsible. What is the difference between responsible and accountable?
Responsibility is just doing things what is given. Accountability is even the result is not fair, we are the accountable.
We have to own. It should be achievable, it should be resourceful, and it should be timed out. And most of you, I would say 100% of you, I don't know yet to listen to others, but those who have done so far have not used this model. These are all the ways and means we have to make out. Likewise, we have to ask yourself, after 5 years, what is your contribution to the organization? What is your contribution? First and foremost thing is, what is the contribution to yourself? 2029, I should develop first, right? What is the contribution I do for myself? Okay, good. Okay. I have a happiness. That is what you have to tell. Okay, so you should ask your children every now and then in the classroom, how do you feel? Teach the children to feel themselves in the morning, in the afternoon, in the midst of the class, after the lunch break, after the assembly. Every time you should ask the children, how do you feel like? The children should be able to feel oneself. If the children is not able to feel oneself, you make the children to learn. When you have a problem, you may not be able to give solutions to that. But when somebody is